Today I am starting from the third part of the question 1, exercise 4.3. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Also find the roots if exist. First you have to find the nature of the roots, whether real roots are existing or not. Solution: given 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you have to calculate the discriminant. Therefore, d is equal to b square minus 4ac, where b is equal to minus 6 is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a2 and c is 3 equal to minus minus plus 6 6 36 minus here 24 12. This 12 is greater than, but from the knowledge that if the discriminant is greater than 0, then we know that the equation has two distinct real roots. Since d greater than 0, the equation has two distinct real roots. So this is the answer of the first part. Okay. The roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. Minus minus plus 6 and plus minus root over 2 into 2. If you understand briefly that 2 will be cancelled here, then you can write it. Hence the roots x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 comma 3 minus root 3 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. So we are moving to the next problems based on the discriminant. So I am taking the solution 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. You find the value of k for which this equation will have equal roots. Now you recall that for equal roots, now if discriminant d is equal to 0, then we know that the equation has two equal roots. So conversely speaking, if it is given that an equation has two equal roots, then we conclude that discriminant of this equation will be equal to 0. So you start your calculation from that. The equation has equal roots. It will imply that the discriminant d is equal to 0 implies d is equal to b square minus 4 ac is equal to b k square minus 4 into ac 2 into 3 is equal to k square minus 24 implies d is equal to this, d is equal to 0, so this is equal to 0. K square minus 24 is equal to 0 implies k square is equal to 24 implies k is equal to plus minus 4 into 6. See, it will be like that. Hence, k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. So this is the answer. Now we are moving to the next part. This is the question given, and to find out the value of k for which the equation has two equal roots. Okay, so we need to simplify it first of all. K x square minus 2 kx plus 6 is equal to 0. If this has to be a quadratic equation, then definitely this coefficient of s square not equal to 0. So you start solution. Given the equation has equal real roots, therefore d is equal to 0 implies b square minus 4ac equal to 0 implies minus 2k whole square minus 4ac. A is this and c is that. C equal to 0. By simplifying, we are getting two vectors. 4k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. Implies 4k is equal to 0. K minus 6 is equal to 0. K is 0, but k is not equal to 0. Hence the value of k is 6 only, for which the given equation has two equal roots. In your competency based questions, this type of explanation is good. Now we are moving to the word problem 3. The question is that is it possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice the breadth and area is 800 meters square? Then second question telling that if it is possible, then find the length and breadth. Okay, so here also we see that the discriminant use is the main thing to test the equation's root before solving. Okay, first of all you have to establish the equation formats, okay, from the condition of the problem. Solution 3 Let the breadth is equal to x, then length will be equal to twice x, and also given that this area is 800 meter square. Y equation 2x into x is equal to 800 implies 2x square is equal to 800 implies 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0 implies 2 into x square minus 400 is equal to 0 implies x square minus 400 equal to 0. Therefore, d is equal to b square minus 4sc is equal to b is here 0 square or minus 4 into a is 1, coefficient of x square is 1, and c is minus 400. So is equal to 1600, which is greater than 0. So question is asking whether it can be designed or not. So next line you can conclude from this. Hence the mango group can be designed with the given data. This is the main answer. Okay. Now you have to find the solution. X is equal to minus b plus minus root over d by twice a is equal to minus b is 0 and plus minus 1600 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to plus minus 1600 is equal to 40. Okay, under root 1600 is equal to 40 into 40. But breadth cannot be negative. So, okay, this is the answer. Next question 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. You have to justify whether this situation is possible or not in practice. Let the present age of one friend is equal to x. Then present age of other friend is equal to 20 minus x, and product of ages 4 years ago is equal to 48. So from here you start your problem. Okay, implies this first friend age before 4 years will be x minus 4 into the age of the other friend before 4 years. So this is the age before 4 years. So it must be equal to 48 according to question. Start solution. X minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. X into 16, 16x minus plus minus x square. Then minus plus minus 4 into 16, so 64, and here minus plus 4x is equal to 48. Write the x square first so that it will be a standard equation. Minus x square, then 16x plus 4x will be 20x, and here remaining 64 minus 64 minus bring this side 48 is equal to 0 minus x square plus 20x. So here 412 is equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by minus x square, and this will be minus 20x, and this will be again plus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation we have established. Okay. Therefore, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b is minus 20 whole square minus 4 a is 1 and c is 112 is equal to minus plus. It will be 400 and this is 42844 is equal to, hence the given situation not possible. This is the answer. So today we are finishing here. Video is going to be longer. Next day I shall do two more important questions and then we shall go to arithmetic progression.